Welcome to The Car Expert, your trusted source for uncovering the hard truths behind today's automotive promises. In today's extended, in-depth exposé, we peel back the layers of flashy marketing and sleek exteriors to reveal a series of costly, frustrating, and sometimes downright dangerous flaws hidden in several high-profile vehicles. Over the next several minutes, we'll explore first-hand accounts and industry warnings that paint a stark picture of what happens when innovation and reliability fail to live up to their promises. Our story begins with the Ford Bronco Sport, a vehicle that entered the market with much fanfare and promises of combining compact design with genuine off-road prowess. Marketed as the ideal companion for weekend adventures, the Bronco Sport quickly became the talk of the town among outdoor enthusiasts. However, behind its rugged styling and adventurous spirit lurks a series of engine issues that have left owners reeling. The Bronco Sport's 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, once heralded as a compact yet powerful solution, has instead become infamous for a host of critical problems. Cracked fuel injectors have led to dangerous fuel leaks, and these leaks have, in several documented cases, escalated into full-blown engine fires. Coupled with recurring turbocharger failures and a propensity for overheating, the Bronco Sport has evolved into an unpredictable gamble. Imagine setting out on a camping trip, excited for a weekend of exploration, only to have your vehicle emit ominous smoke and stall in the middle of a remote trail. Despite numerous recalls and extensive warranty repairs, the financial and emotional burdens continue to mount for Bronco Sport owners, leaving many to wonder if their vehicle will ever live up to its rugged promise. Turning our attention to the Nissan Rogue, we find a similar narrative of unmet expectations. Often seen cruising through suburban neighborhoods and city streets alike, the Rogue was once the poster child for efficiency and dependability. Beneath its modern, streamlined exterior, however, lies a turbocharged three-cylinder engine equipped with cutting-edge variable compression technology. On paper, this innovation should deliver enhanced performance and improved fuel economy. In reality, it has proven to be a double-edged sword. Many owners report catastrophic engine failures as internal bearing damage takes hold, causing the engine to falter when least expected. And then there's the continuously variable transmission, CVT, a system that, unlike traditional transmissions, cannot be rebuilt once it succumbs to failure. For those driving the Rogue, a single malfunction can result in an exorbitant, full-scale transmission replacement. With the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, now investigating these engine and transmission issues, the Nissan Rogue stands as a cautionary tale. An innovation that, instead of delivering a smooth and reliable ride, has become a ticking time bomb that could strike at any moment. Interwoven with these stories is the saga of the Jeep 4xe models. Jeep has long been synonymous with rugged reliability and unyielding off-road capability. Their iconic reputation was built on decades of designing vehicles that could tackle any terrain. When Jeep introduced its 4xe hybrid variants, the promise was a harmonious blend of legendary off-road performance and modern, eco-friendly technology. However, reality has painted a much bleaker picture. Instead of a robust hybrid system, owners have encountered persistent and perilous issues with the battery pack, issues that sometimes escalate into potential fire hazards. But the problems don't stop there. These hybrids have been plagued by drivetrain failures and a host of electronic malfunctions that render the sophisticated technology unreliable. In colder weather, the system's efficiency takes an even steeper dive, leaving drivers stranded in conditions where they expect their Jeep to excel. For many, what was once expected to be the ultimate fusion of tradition and innovation now feels like a go-nowhere hybrid, a stark departure from the timeless reliability the Jeep brand once guaranteed. Next in our narrative is the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, a vehicle that was once poised to revolutionize the family minivan market. The Pacifica Hybrid was designed to combine spacious, family-friendly practicality with the cutting edge of hybrid technology, promising both fuel efficiency and a suite of modern features. Unfortunately, the Pacifica Hybrid's hybrid system has consistently failed to deliver on these promises. Owners have reported a series of alarming malfunctions, ranging from unexpected mid-drive shutdowns to complete system failures that leave families stranded on the roadside. The situation becomes even more dire when you consider the fire risks associated with a malfunctioning battery pack, a danger that has prompted numerous recalls. For families who invest in a vehicle they believe will safely transport their loved ones, the Pacifica Hybrid has instead become a source of constant worry and mounting repair bills. What should have been a breakthrough in automotive design now serves as a sobering reminder that cutting-edge technology is only valuable when it's also reliable and safe. While the challenges with hybrid and compact SUVs are alarming on their own, the saga of reliability issues extends into the realm of full-size trucks, a category that has long symbolized American automotive strength. The Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra, icons of rugged performance and durability, have found themselves mired in serious mechanical problems. These trucks were originally designed to embody toughness and resilience, but recent issues with cylinder deactivation technology have dramatically undermined that reputation. This system, intended to improve fuel efficiency by deactivating select engine cylinders during light load conditions, has instead led to widespread lifter failures and catastrophic engine shutdowns. Owners have found themselves stranded on highways, their engines sputtering and stalling in a manner that is both unexpected and dangerous. In many cases, the resulting damage is so severe that complete engine replacements become the only solution, a repair that can cost thousands of dollars and leave a lasting dent in the owner's finances. Furthermore, the truck's 10-speed automatic transmissions have developed their own set of issues, characterized by rough shifting and sudden breakdowns that only add to the overall frustration. For drivers who once relied on the Silverado and Sierra as steadfast workhorses, these recurring mechanical failures have transformed these vehicles from dependable companions into unpredictable liabilities. Expanding further on the full-size category, we encounter the plight of some of the most luxurious SUVs on the market, the GMC Yukon, Chevrolet Tahoe, and Cadillac Escalade. These vehicles are designed to provide an unrivaled blend of spacious interiors, premium materials, and top-tier performance. Yet beneath their polished exteriors, these SUVs are grappling with the same problematic cylinder deactivation technology issues that have haunted their truck counterparts. The same lifter failures and engine malfunctions that plague the Silverado and Sierra appear here, leading to repeated instances of engine damage and unexpected shutdowns. Coupled with the unreliable 10-speed transmissions, these luxury SUVs often leave owners with a driving experience that is far from the smooth, refined ride one would expect from a vehicle carrying such a prestigious badge. In many cases, the promise of luxury and performance is overshadowed by the reality of constant, expensive repairs and the looming threat of safety hazards during long family trips or critical journeys. Finally, our comprehensive review would be incomplete without addressing the Infiniti QX50, a vehicle that was marketed as the pinnacle of luxury and high performance. The QX50 was expected to offer an exceptional driving experience, boasting a blend of sophisticated styling and advanced engineering. However, the reality for many owners has been disappointing. Essentially the upscale counterpart to the Nissan Rogue, the QX50 inherits the same turbocharged three-cylinder engine and continuously variable transmission issues that have troubled its less expensive sibling. The result is a luxury SUV that suffers from the same engine breakdowns and transmission failures, leading to frequent and costly repairs. For those who have invested heavily in what was supposed to be a premium vehicle, the QX50 now represents a case of style over substance. The high cost of ownership, punctuated by relentless visits to the dealership and mounting repair bills, has left many owners questioning whether the upscale styling is truly worth the ongoing hassles and financial strain. Throughout this extensive investigation, one message rings clear. A vehicle's true cost is measured not just by its sticker price, but by the hidden expenses of repairs, downtime, and the constant worry over safety and reliability. The Ford Bronco Sport, with its unreliable EcoBoost engine and potential for engine fires, is a prime example of how even vehicles designed for adventure can quickly become liabilities. The Nissan Rogue, once celebrated for its efficiency, now stands as a stark reminder of how advanced technology can fail catastrophically under pressure. The Jeep 4iE models, meant to be the future of off-road hybrid technology, have instead eroded a legacy of rugged dependability. The Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, a vehicle that should have redefined family transportation, has left owners facing unexpected shutdowns and fire hazards. And then there are the full-size trucks and SUVs from Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, and Infiniti, whose once revered reputations are now tarnished by systemic issues that affect everything from lifter performance to transmission reliability. In every instance, the pattern is clear. Modern automotive innovations, when not thoroughly vetted for long-term durability, can lead to a host of problems that far outweigh any initial savings in fuel efficiency or enhanced performance. For each model, what initially appears to be a promising leap forward ends up being marred by unforeseen complications that result in frequent, expensive repairs and, more importantly, a significant erosion of consumer trust. Before you consider your next vehicle purchase, take the time to dive deep into detailed reliability reports and honest owner reviews. Ask the hard questions about the long-term durability of the models you're interested in. Don't just be swayed by a glossy advertisement or a captivating showroom display. Remember, the true measure of a vehicle's worth lies not in its marketing, but in its performance on the road, day after day, year after year. Whether you're eyeing a rugged truck, a sleek SUV, or a family minivan, the lessons from today's exposé underscore one crucial point: informed buyers are empowered buyers. We at The Car Expert are dedicated to bringing you the full story, helping you navigate the complex landscape of modern vehicles so that you can make decisions that offer both safety and value. As you walk away from this discussion, let it serve as a reminder that while innovation is exciting, it must always be tempered with the reliability and dependability that form the foundation of any great vehicle. Only then can you be sure that your investment isn't just another flash in the pan, but a true companion that meets your needs on every journey. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive exploration of the vehicles that promise so much, yet deliver so little when it comes to long-term dependability. Stay informed, stay cautious, and always remember that your peace of mind on the road is priceless. Drive safe, do your homework, and until next time, keep your eyes open and your wheels turning.